Mike Callahan, want to make a quick video how to use Service Autopilot at a pro level. The thing we're going to go over today is lead source tracking. Lead source tracking is tracking all your marketing sources, whether they saw your truck, they were referred by a friend, they searched the internet, organically to search your website, however they found out about your company. We're going to track that in Service Autopilot to find out how many leads we're getting from each source and our closing ratio. So the first thing you want to do is go into Service Autopilot, and under CRM settings, we will pull up the client source. So it's the third column to the right, and click column or client source. At this point, once you set this up, you're going to want to go in and customize all of the lead sources that you have. This is our test account for automations, but we've got customer referral, door hanger, every door direct, job applicant, other. Another pro tip I would also suggest is tracking your job applicant sources as well, so you can see if Indeed or Craigslist or referral by an internal employee is the best source of job applicants. So we're going to be tracking our lead sources for our sales as well as our lead sources for our job applicants. So we're going to go in, literally just hit add source, type the name, full name, a code, and then mark it active. And once that's in there, we are going to save it. The way you use this is when you stick in add a lead, you enter their information in, and then under the sales tab there is source, and it will pre-populate all the customized lead sources that you put in there. So that would be your workflow. You enter a lead and edit that in there. The other way of doing it, if you do calls, so if we go in and add a call, the lead source tracking is automatically tracked in here as well. So if we go in and create a new lead, lead source tracking is also deferred in here as well. So how'd you hear about us? And then you'd select from that drop down. So there's multiple workflows, whether you add them as a new lead and you make sure you, in the call script as you're answering the call, you mark it down under the edit tab, or if you're adding a call, you can do it right here when you create a lead. Either workflow works fine. Whatever works better for your office. The final part of this is actually going in to look at this. So if we go into CRM Reports, it's going to pull this screen up here, and we are going to go in and take a look at sales summary by source. And obviously this is a test account, but this is what you would get. The number of new leads converted, conversion rate, new open leads, and total leads. And then sales by lead source. So each one of these lead sources, if there's any data that you track, will give you all the statistics on it to start making more educated decisions where you should be spending most of your marketing money, and you're hunting out for new job applicants as well. So if you have any questions or comments, drop them below, but I'm going to be following up with this video with another pro tip later this week on Wednesday. Thanks.